Okay, Mr. Kish, for math instructions, read chapter 11. Here's the math
Okay,
instructions.
we're going to look at the very, but I have changed the first 6
VLC video, sorry, had to
grades, which is the moment
get caught up there.
they are
So we can
applying.
close that so we're not having to. And then, of course, the test. If you get ready to take any of these tests, I can print them again, any of this material that you want to take the test on. I'm going to ask you to keep the test with the grade until next semester so that I can get you in. So that's pretty much math instructions. Let me start a Word document for you here, and I'm going to pause the video. Going back to the Lessons tab, after math instructions are program control instructions. Read chapter 9. Write a program similar to that to figure 393 in your textbook. Demonstrate that. So that's out the text. Same here. Write a program similar to that 9-6. Demonstrate that. And write a program using a temporary end instruction and illustrate that. And of course, the test again, any of these that you want to get to, let me know. I'll print them and we can take it from there. Introduction HMI. Got an HMI video. I'll copy that for you. Will I get that? And I'll work with you on that as needed and show you what we need to do. There. So pasting that to your document now. All right. And going back to here. Let's see what else we have left. Analog control. And lots of stuff here. Digital analog signals. Copy.
Okay.
So put that in Word document. And reread this. Typical analog setup is a web page. I'll put in here. So forgive me for doing this. We're just trying to kill as many birds as we can here. So relay signals back and here. Video 1. I'm going to pause that while I'm getting these 3 videos. Alright, and we do also have programming SCP command, scaling command. Unfortunately, none of our processors support that. That's an older one. We include it for 2 reasons. One, the state standard says we shall. And the second reason is you may run across this in some of the code or at least a similar type command. And it works the same way. May change that, they'll modify the code a little bit in the logic, but virtually the same parameters that go into coding this SCP command code and the coding commands that do similar things with other brands and manufacturers. So we do include that. Also, the analog control assessment, again, any of those you need me to print, I'll be happy to print, grade, and return those to you for submission next semester. Still a little bit, but in the interest of time, being I got another student waiting on me, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here, send that to you along with the Word document, and you can kind of take it from there. And if I missed anything, just let me know. Sometimes I get in a hurry, I miss a link or something, so just shoot me an email, or if you're here, obviously, see me and I'll take care of it. Thanks.